In our audition, this is the last day of the audition here at the SM City, Las Marinas. And what is your name?
Name is Zach Tyler de la Rosario.
Zach Del Rosario. Okay, ikaw ay ilang taon na? How old are you?
I'm 4'5".
Parang, 4 or 5? 5, okay. May counting ko lang. 4, 5. Okay, 5 years old. Ano ba yung mga talents na usually, ginagawa mo? Kung mahilig ka ba kumanta, sumayaw?
Sing.
Sing, okay. Dito tayo harap sa kanila. Sila kasi yung mag-screen sa atin, or judges. So, sino nagturo sa'yo kumanta?
Wala.
Wala? Okay, you just learn on your own. Kaya naman, eto na ang iyong microphone. Good luck. Please welcome male number 12.